cutting or they just got done cutting a big old branch here off of this tree. So yeah, it came up from right here. We got to finish cutting that tomorrow, but it was just hanging down really low right on top of that other tree there. So got that taken down. That way it doesn't fall later with the wind. And in this courtyard here, these guys are gonna clear it out. Now we're gonna be doing some red gravel in here and some cactus. We are here at this job again today, this morning. As y'all saw yesterday, the guys were tearing out stuff. They trimmed some big branches off of that tree that were hanging, some pretty high ones. So this morning they're working in the backyard here. They're getting them a ladder. We're taking down a full tree here in the backyard that was just, I'm not sure why the customers wanted it down. Maybe just in the wrong spot, I guess. I don't know. So dog's back here. Go through the alley. Go around the other way. Right now, check some electricity out, test it to see why why our customers' transformers for their landscaping lights, their low voltage lighting isn't working. So get it tested and see what the issue is. Getting power, we know the power is there. Yeah, O for on. That's constant on, which is an O, I think. Let's see how you do this one. So I don't get electrocuted, I don't get shocked.
No, but there might be spiders down there.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Let's see, we would have to do, what did I do over there? Off, that's on right there. So technically they should just be on. We would need to leave it on off. I bet that's the issue.
What is that?
Because they've got these controllers already here, so we don't. She said they were staying on all the time.
And I think the reason is since this is on, you know, it's on and off compared to this one being on all the time. You know, when it kicks on, it probably.
Right now it's on.
Yes.
The controller, I have it on right here and it's on, so it's working. Put the on-off time here, they were a little off. I changed those. Right now it's on right here. So what I'm wondering about is maybe that's why they were constantly staying on, because right now, if we leave this how it was on, they're gonna be running right now.
Yes.
Because we would need to leave this on, we wouldn't really necessarily need to do the dusk to dawn thing.
Yeah.
Since this is what's controlling it here.
And it doesn't have a photo.
Well, I
photo
have
cell
one here. So watch.
And then they should come on. Yeah.
Just confused because.
Yeah, we're out here testing the lights, making sure that we have power to it and it's turning on at a specific time as the homeowners want. We got to go around and make sure that the lights come on, turn off by themselves, so that way they don't have to do it. Like that.
Oh, this one wasn't lit? Oh, it was like that?
Yeah. It was
like then that's why it wasn't coming on.
like that. And
so
then,
now it should come on at 5.
And then off time.
Because she just said none of them were working.
Turn off at 5? No, at 6:30.
Is that 6:30 a.m.?
No, that's 3.
So it's these controllers that were off, so hopefully they don't keep getting tripped or whatever. So we should be good right there. 5, 7, and off. So turn it on real quick, and that way we can just make sure the controller's set on and not on. at this job. As you can see, we took those big old branches that were here. I don't know if we had showed that before. Still got to do a little bit of cleaning up here, and then the guys took that big old tree that was right between that gravel area way back there. There's a big tree there the other day, as y'all saw. Got that taken down, and it's just all gravel now, so give the customer a little more room. And then we also, damn, it's already turning to ice, huh? So yeah, the guys brought in this red rock from Las Cruces. Padre Canyon is what it's called. It's kind of like a red brown, so it's kind of a cool color. I mean, you can see right there what it looks like when it's dry. This is what it's wet. Pretty simple job. I don't know if we had showed y'all before what it looked like before, but it was all vinca and just plants and just random stuff. But this customer wanted it to be a little more open, give him some more freedom, you know, it just kind of useless space. So now at least it's flatter and he can walk through here and get around a little better. So yeah, it's all done. We're gonna head to the next one and get the next job going, but this one turned out pretty good.